Hello, my students, and welcome back to Talk With Me. How are you today? Doing well? I'm so happy to see you again. Are you ready to learn a new lesson today? Today, I am going to discuss about present continuous tense. If you are a new student and you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon, and hit the like button and share with your friends so anyone can learn with us. Okay, let's get started. Present continuous tense. You know this? Okay, the present continuous tense is used to talk about things that are happening right now, at this moment, as we speak. For example, I am teaching. You are learning. They are listening. Yes, I know. Some of you are also thinking about food right now. Don't worry. So remember, present continuous equals happening now. Let's repeat. Now, happening now. Does it make sense? Okay, good. Now we see, how do we form the present continuous tense? Are you ready? We use a super easy grammar formula here. Subject plus am, is, or are, plus verb plus ing. Say it slowly with me. Am, is, are, plus verb plus ing. Again, am, is, are, plus verb plus ing. One more time. Am, is, are, plus verb plus ing. Good. Look at these examples. I am eating. She is dancing. We are studying. Who is dancing right now? Anyone? Students, the ing rule is very important here. In present continuous, the action verb must end in ing. Examples: eat to eating, read to reading, play to playing, write to writing. Say the pattern with me. Verb plus ing. Verb plus ing. Verb plus ing. Easy, yeah? Okay, now let's see. When do we use the present continuous tense? First one is for actions happening right now. Look at these examples. I am teaching. You are reading. Students are listening. Does it make sense? Okay, good. Second one is for actions happening around this time, not exactly now. Maybe not this second, but these days. See, I am learning English these days. She is studying for her exams this week. They are working on a project nowadays. It's not that hard, is it? Third one is for temporary actions, like something that is not permanent. Examples: he is living in London for 2 months. We are staying at a hotel this week. Got it? Okay, good. Students, if you find anything unclear, please leave a comment in the comment box. I'm eager to help you anytime. Okay, let's jump into the fourth one. Here we use this pattern to express our future plans, very near future. Like, I am meeting my friend tonight. She is traveling tomorrow. Did you get it? It's easy. Students, look at these example sentences that are used for daily life. I am drinking water. You are practicing English. He is watching TV. We are learning together. They are cooking dinner. What are you doing right now? Students, it's compulsory to learn short forms, contractions also here. We often shorten am, is, are in speaking. I'm eating. You're learning. He's playing. She's running. We're reading. They're talking. Careful, don't say I is or he am. English teachers will cry. Haha, emphasis. Let's see, how do we use the negative form here, okay? To say no, we add not. Subject plus am, is, or are plus not plus verb ing. Examples. I am not sleeping. She is not eating. We are not watching TV. Short forms. I'm not working. He isn't listening. They aren't coming. Are you sleeping right now? Okay, good. Now we see how questions in present continuous are built, okay? To ask a question, move am, is, or are to the front of the sentence. Am plus subject plus verb ing. Examples. Are you listening? Is she writing? Are they playing? Am I speaking too fast, students? Okay, good. I've created a mini exercise for you. I want you to type down the answers in the comment box. First one, I blank study English now. Fill in the blank. Second one, she blank cook dinner. What is the answer? 3, they blank not play. Can you guess the answer? 4, are you blank? Listen. Do you know the answer? Great job, everyone. Today you learned present continuous tense in a clear and easy way. I'm really proud of your efforts. Remember, dear students, practice your English every day. Try to speak with others. If you have no one to speak, talk to yourself. It doesn't matter at all. Only thing is speaking. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon so you don't miss any future lessons, and give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep learning. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.